Hi everyone and welcome back. We have another great project lined up for you today. We are going to make a giant book from our paper bag. That's right. Giant book with giant pages. We've got large paper in your kits. You should also have a glue stick. You should have oil pastels. We're going to need some scissors, and we might need our pencil. You're going to take your shopping bag that all your goodies came in, and we're going to open this up, and we're going to cut right down this side and both of these corners. And that's how we're going to start making our book. So, get your scissors, and let's get busy. So we are going to cut our shopping bag all the way down this crease in the side, and we're going to cut these two diagonal marks. You don't really have to worry about it being perfectly on the line because we're going to fold these in and glue them down. Kind of like making a book cover. Sometimes in school you get to make a cover for your books, your textbooks. All right, so we've got two triangles and these two flaps, and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Ta-da! Now all we have to do is get our glue stick, and we're going to glue all these flaps towards the inside just so they stay down out of the way of our paper. Now, this is actually the center of our bag, so we want that to be the backbone or the spine of our book. So we're going to fold it in half, and this is going to now become the center on the outside. We can line up our edges, top, side, and then we will press down on a brand new center. Ta-da! And all we have to do is add a few pages. So also in your kit, you should have received a couple sheets of paper like this, and it is already folded. I've actually got this one marked so you can see where the fold is at. And when you glue this in your book, it's really important, excuse me, that the fold be in the center so that you will be able to turn your pages. So we are going to glue this right side of the page to the right side of our paper bag. You might want to put some books or something you have at home that's kind of heavy to help press these down and hold them down for a little bit. But first page is done. And now we're going to repeat with another sheet of paper on this side. Okay, now I've glued down my second sheet of paper, and I want you to see how many pages we now have in our book from only 2 sheets of paper. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pages that we can draw and write about. Pretty neat, isn't it? So now we're going to close our book and we're going to design a book cover. Now, as I said, I've named mine My Book About Pets. You can title your book anything you like, and you should always have a nice illustration on the front of a book. And then we're going to use our oil pastels. If you like to draw with your pencil first and then go over it with your oil pastels, you can do that. Or maybe you just like to draw straight on the bag yourself. Okay, so I'm putting some finishing touches on my book cover. I like it. And I can't wait to see your book cover. Make sure that you share some pics of your title and your design. And you can even show me some things you decide to put in your book. Send us some photos. I can't wait to see them.